Hi students, welcome to your second module. Today we are going to be focusing on using context clues in order to determine the meaning of difficult vocabulary words in a text. This is a really important skill to have when you're reading both primary and secondary sources and you run across words that you just don't know. To start for your do now, you're going to type wherever you see this yellow that says type here. So this is a little review from yesterday. So remember, our main idea is this plus your predicate. What could go there? Think about it, type there. We'll do this together in class. So as always, come to class for answers and for extra opportunities to get credit. Once you have completed your do now, you're watching the video right now, which means you're awesome. So for our text for today, we are going to look at a text that says, taking it to the streets, grassroots activism in the United States. Now, right here, we see a word that I might not know the definition to. So for the first part and the first thing you're going to do is type in, what do you think grassroots means? So say, I think grassroots means, and then you're going to type right where it's yellow. This is a perfect example of the time where you might not know a word, and we're going to practice today what to do when you come across a word you just don't know. To start, you're going to start by watching this kind of silly video about context clues and then answering these two questions. What are context clues? And then what is one thing you can do to determine the meaning of a word? So like one strategy you can use that's said in the video. After you are done with that, you are going to find out the meaning of words by using context clues. Now, if we look over here, and I'm going to drag this so you can see, if we look here, there's 3 words that are highlighted, 2 of which are the same, and we're going to find out the meaning to this. So let's start. It says my title is Grassroots Movements. It says anyone can be an activist, young or old. All you need is a commitment to change. Now we're going to use these strategies to try to figure out, what does this word activist mean? So first, circle the word or phrase you don't understand. We've already highlighted it, so that part's done. Underline key phrases and ideas in the sentence. Look for words that give synonyms, antonyms, or examples. So I'm seeing it says, okay, anyone can be an activist, young or old. All you need is a commitment to change. I'm going to underline this because I think that means that activists must have something to do with wanting a commitment to change. The next part is it says, give the main idea of the paragraph. The new word is in. So what is the main idea of this paragraph? Let's use our resources from yesterday. Think about, okay, my subject plus my predicate. So anyone can be an activist, young or old. All you need is a commitment to change. Grassroots activism begins when a group of citizens feel strongly about an issue. They join together to fight for a common cause. So I'm seeing a lot about people, seems like my subject, so people coming together to make a change. It seems like the subject and predicate that I'm seeing in this. And so what that tells me is that it has something to do, being an activist has something to do with wanting to make a change. So now, I'm going to type that in. I'm going to take a guess to see what it means. So I'm going to say activism means, an activist means someone who wants to make a change. Anyone can be an activist. So let me put that right in here. Anyone can be someone who wants to make a change, young or old. That sounds right. So I know that the word that I chose, that my definition is correct because I put it in there to double check. All right, let's go back so I don't mess this up for you guys. Excellent. And then this next one is that tricky word of grassroots. So I see grassroots activism begins when a group of citizens feel strongly about an issue. Now, right away, I see this word begins. I'm going to underline that because I think that means grassroots is something about like the beginning of a movement. Let's look down here though, because it's listed again. Grassroots activism can be simple, like handing out flyers about unsafe drinking water. That sounds like the beginning of a movement. So I'm going to type in here, means, grassroots means the beginning of a movement. Now it might just mean the beginning, but here it seems like that would make sense based on the context clues that I see in this paragraph. If you're confused at all, make sure you log into Teams because oftentimes context clues are really tricky to do when you're trying to do it on your own. So we're going to work through that together. I'm going to click back on these to make sure that you don't have these. Awesome. Oops, sorry, too far back. There we go. Okay, now, once you have done the next 4 readings, so you're going to look through these, you're going to read, type in what you think they mean by following the context clues to the right. Do those. Last one. Now, when you get to here, I want you to go back and really make sure, have I actually typed in all of these yellow sections? Have I attempted to find meaning to the words by using these context clues on the right? If you can say yes to that, you are done and get to go on to your mastery check.